Right, big news now. This is from Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav, who is claiming now that the Bharatiya Janata Party government will sell the Jewar airport once it is completed. Remember, this is a very serious claim that he's making. He's saying that today was a Bhumi Pujan site, then construction finishes by 2024, and then they will sell off the airport to the highest bidder. What exactly has Akhilesh Yadav said? Let's listen in. That is what Remember Politics now going to likely very heat up on Jewar Airport, which the Bharatiya Janata Party and the government is pitching as the biggest infrastructure push. But Akhilesh Yadav, the first to now go ahead, claim otherwise, saying they'll sell it off. And then that is also what needs to be remembered with regard to this government. We'll wait and watch if the BJP comes up with a reaction on that. So Aishwarya, just as we were talking, while you're on the ground, there's no dearth of political allegations coming in with regard to the airport. Do you see the airport construction, the airport highlight, perhaps one of the biggest pitches now with regard to elections at this moment? Just take a look at those visuals before I go across to Aishwarya, because that basically signifies what Uttar Pradesh elections will be. On one side, you have, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Yogi Adityanath with all guns blazing, saying they are ready with the infrastructure push and that they are going ahead and giving this a turnover in UP as Uttam Pradesh. On the other, Akhilesh Yadav says Bharatiya Janata Party will sell Jewar Airport once it is ready. They do not care about the people. It's all about money for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So one of the first big reactions coming in after this mega event at Jewar is Akhilesh Yadav saying BJP building the airport only to sell it later. So today, remember, this Bhumi Pujan event was the mega